Okay, Project B7 on the move now. Am I kind of skipping things without sorting out this motor issue? Even talking to my boy Julian, he's an Audi nerd too. Just a lot of Audi guys, a lot of people who are in on this, like myself. And I think I'll be okay with this particular one. I don't think the guides, I mean, we love guides, they're the best thing ever. I'm going to get a personalized license plate that says guides. No chain slap, no chain rattle or anything like that. When it starts up, it's good. It's fine. Bank one, I think I need the cats. I think I need to remove that cat. I'm going to remove both cats, the first cats, and then leave the secondary cats. I think that's what my issue is. I'm going to do a compression test, blah, blah, blah. Might have said it in another video. But today's what, Friday? Detail Friday, yes. And I have gotten rid of a client that would, even though I would tell him all the time, and guess what? He would call me and say, yo, I know you're doing something with cars, but blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so don't effing fucking call me. You know what I mean? So here's where we're at. Fridays, I love doing stuff like this. Dirty. I've started to clean a little bit. I did the windows, you know what I mean? I did a quick vacuum, blah, blah, blah. Doors are very hard to open and close because this thing has not been driven. You could kind of tell. You could smell it. You could feel it. You could see it. But definitely a great vehicle. I sent this to Julian, my boy, on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, Auto Ad Builder. And I showed him that. That's right. No sag in the rear. Look at that friggin' headliner. And you know what saved it? The shade package. These shades were up too when I went there. And what you got to remember is too, see how dull that is in the back? That's because of sunlight. Sun kills everything. I'm not about tinting cars, but you definitely have to make sure you keep like a sunshade on the dashboard, no cracks in the dash. Check out the great trunk. Definitely somebody was living in there. Yep. Gonna clean all this. I was going so far. I'm like, let me do a before video. All this I gotta clean. I am very anal. It's missing this piece. I don't think I have that piece on my Cabrio. Yep. Let's see if I can find that piece. I'm anal like that. I love little parts. This is the spare. This tire here looks like a summer tire. That is definitely an all-season tire. I don't like the tires anyway, but I'm working with what I have right now. Starting to clean the doors. The other great thing about this auto is it doesn't have any cracks in the carbon fiber. I don't know. Maybe this car was in the garage most of its life. Who knows for it to not crack out. Have to clean all in here. There's a lot of fun in there. I'm going to take out the battery, clean in there. I'm going to fix this up too. You're not going to notice as much where the Mises have eaten. Clean this whole front panel. Nothing I could do about this. Not that bad, especially when, of course, you close the hood. You're not going to see it. Clean all this. It's a shame that kind of got ripped off. I don't know if I could buy that sticker. I'm not sure if... what is it? What's that fucking place called? FCP. I think they sell engine stickers. I got to see. Look how dirty this is. That's got to be all cleaned. I'm WD-40. You got to lube these things up. You want to make sure. I took off the covers. I am missing this cover, even though I have it from my Cabrio. I still got the Cabrio part because I want to do, I want to clean that side of the valve cover I just did. That's why that headlight is over there. And it gives you a little bit more room. If you take out the headlights to kind of get underneath and get all the crud out. I mean, these cars love oil leaks. Another thing about this one, I could show the pictures. The guy did do the valve covers. I love these valve covers. Plastic. Need those. Those are good. That's an upgrade. From the B6, of course. Actually, that other B6 I bought, the guy switched over to B7 valve covers. Blah, 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 blah. That's the other one I had. But he also did the $6 O-rings, the two that sit on the bottom in the oil cooler. So this car is pretty much oil-free of leaks, supposedly. We'll see. I got to gunk it out and clean it up. But yeah, this is basically day one of kind of going over the vehicle and getting things sorted out. The only other thing is it had one bulb out. I already started converting over to LED. And we're good there. I got to clean in there before I put back the brighter LEDs. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to switch over to all the LED bulbs on the inside. I'm going to yellow out the fogs. And that's it. That's all I do. Probably clean up the calipers. I don't know if I'm going to red them, silver them, OEM them. Who knows? I got to do that. And let me just show you which is really cool. We have the owner's manual where it belongs underneath. You know how many people do not realize? They're like, oh, where's the owner's manual? It's right there where it belongs. I only have one key. Check this out. This thing is hard. This is why a lot of these broke too, because they're so hard when they're in great shape. Actually, WD-40 this thing. I don't know if that would actually help, but here we go. CD changer. Look at that bad boy. Got the disc. Nav works. It's got the silver here too. I love little details. There's that shade package. Coin holder. This, of course, has the cup holders here, and this car was did come with the Bluetooth. The only thing that I could see that this vehicle does not have, which I think is kind of strange, is it doesn't have rear heated seats. I don't know why. Yeah, it's not there. Very odd. So here, let's just go over this real quick. 47,500. Brilliant black, no charge. Ebony interior, 6-speed manual, no charge. Audi Nav Plus, as we all know, 1950. Convenience pack was 1,000. We all know what's in there, right? You better. It does have the rain and light sensor, which is cool. So it does have the rain sensing wipers. We also have adaptive front lights with it. Audio package, Bose, Sirius, satellite prep, Bluetooth phone prep was 500. Oh, the radio was 1,000. And power rear and manual sunshades, love that option, and it works. 400, both sunshades, they're working. The clips are there, everything is there. Let me actually, I got to clean them. You can see they're a little dusty. Got to be very delicate with those. Don't let kids play with them. I see them breaking that crap all the time. Carbon fiber belt trim was 400. Rear Parktronic, which is great, 350. I love that option. I love options. And tire pressure monitoring system, which I do like also. That was another 350. And the silk Napa leather, I don't know what the difference is with the other one, or they all came that way, is 250. It does look a little different to me. Can't wait to coat them and everything else. Have the Carfax. My boy Vinny was always telling me, yo, sell me that car already. I says, let me go through it. You know what I mean? Let me figure it out first a little bit. I think I'm okay with this one. I actually kind of want to keep it. I love the way it drives. I'm definitely buying an RS4, but I kind of need a car right now because I got a microwave outside with summer tires, and it's kind of useless. So even I'd rather drive this with summer tires in the winter than the Tesla. So there you have it. This is where I'm at. You shall see. We're going to get in there, get all those acorns out, clean this whole thing out. You got to make sure you take out these batteries, on all Audis, by the way, and make sure that the drain plugs are cleared, because that is a big thing. If you hear weird stuff in there, go in there with the vacuum, suck out all the stuff. That's what I had last night. Rat's Nest 101. Hopefully these rats or mice didn't come into the garage and took the drive home with me. You never know. That's the scary part too. So that's it. Auto Air Builder out. Subscribe. What the hell? Look at the other stuff I've done. B6s. Yeah, I guess I got to make a B7 playlist now. Yeah, there we go.